Cryptocurrencies have emerged as a new asset class, capturing the attention of investors seeking to diversify their portfolios and explore alternative investment opportunities. Among the myriad of digital assets, XRP, the native cryptocurrency of the Ripple network, has garnered both praise and skepticism. Today's video delves into the question of whether XRP has the potential to generate multi-generational wealth and if such an endeavor would require a prolonged period. We will also be looking at another crucial topic that has got the crypto community buzzing: the combination of Bitcoin halving and the potential for ETFs propelling XRP to greater heights. Endeavor to stick around to find out more. If this sounds like something of much interest to you, be sure to check out this new video starting now. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on XRP and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we happily send you a special welcome. We invite you to hit on the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are announcing that this channel has a giveaway of 200 XRP. To stand the chance of participating, all you have to do is simply subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment with the hashtag XRP, and the winner will be announced on the 30th of November. XRP operates within the Ripple network, a blockchain-based platform designed to facilitate fast and cost-effective cross-border transactions. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which rely on proof-of-work consensus mechanisms, XRP uses a unique consensus algorithm known as the Ripple Protocol Consensus Algorithm. This design aims to enhance transaction speed and reduce associated costs. The Ripple network's primary focus is on enabling seamless global money transfers, making it an attractive option for financial institutions looking to improve their cross-border payment systems. XRP serves as a bridge currency in these transactions, providing liquidity and facilitating the exchange between different fiat currencies. To evaluate XRP's potential for producing multi-generational wealth, it's crucial to examine its historical performance and understand the market dynamics that have influenced its price movements. XRP experienced a significant surge in value during the cryptocurrency bull market of 2017, reaching an all-time high price. However, it subsequently faced a prolonged period of decline, mirroring the broader crypto market's volatility. The Ripple network also faced regulatory challenges, with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filing a lawsuit against Ripple Labs, the company behind XRP, alleging the unregistered sale of securities. These regulatory challenges and market fluctuations have contributed to uncertainties surrounding XRP's future trajectory. Investors and analysts have debated whether the cryptocurrency can regain its previous highs and establish itself as a long-term store of value. So, what are the factors influencing XRP's future performance? Well, several factors can impact XRP's potential to generate multi-generational wealth. 1. Regulatory landscape. Regulatory clarity is crucial for the widespread adoption and acceptance of any cryptocurrency. The outcome of the SEC lawsuit against Ripple Labs will likely shape XRP's regulatory status and influence its market dynamics. 2. Technological developments. The Ripple network's ongoing technological developments and partnerships play a significant role in determining XRP's utility and adoption. Improvements in speed, scalability, and interoperability could enhance XRP's appeal to both financial institutions and individual users. 3. Market adoption. The success of XRP in achieving its goal of facilitating cross-border transactions depends on its adoption by major financial institutions. Increased partnerships and usage would contribute to higher demand for XRP, potentially impacting its price positively. 4. Competitive landscape. XRP faces competition from other cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects aiming to address similar use cases. Evaluating XRP's competitive position and its ability to differentiate itself in the market is essential for predicting its long-term success. So, is the multi-generational wealth a realistic expectation? Well, it's a bit like predicting the weather. The crypto market, known for its volatility, presents both opportunities and risks. Achieving multi-generational wealth demands stability and consistent growth. Can XRP deliver? Challenges abound. Volatility, regulatory risks, and the ever-evolving tech landscape pose significant hurdles. The question is, can XRP navigate these challenges and emerge as a long-term wealth generator? If you're considering a long-term play with XRP, here are some strategies to keep in mind. Diversification, thorough research, risk management, a long-term perspective, and staying informed, these pillars can help you navigate the ups and downs of the crypto roller coaster. Now to the million-dollar question, does XRP need multi-generational time to produce multi-generational wealth? The crystal ball is murky, my friends. The concept of multi-generational wealth implies sustained value appreciation over an extended period. While XRP has shown the potential for significant short-term gains, achieving multi-generational wealth requires stability, resilience, and consistent growth. While XRP has demonstrated unique features and use cases within the Ripple network, its future trajectory depends on various factors, including regulatory developments, technological advancements, and market dynamics. Investors considering XRP as a potential avenue for long-term wealth accumulation should approach their investment with caution and diligence. The cryptocurrency market, characterized by volatility and regulatory uncertainties, requires a strategic and informed approach. While the potential for significant gains exists, so too do the risks associated with the nascent and evolving nature of the crypto space. As the cryptocurrency market continues to mature, XRP's fate will become clearer. Until then, investors must navigate the complexities of this emerging asset class with a keen awareness of the risks and opportunities that lie ahead. Now to the big question of the day, can Bitcoin halving and ETFs catapult XRP to unprecedented heights? Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. In the fast-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency, two significant events have emerged as potential catalysts for XRP's ascent to greater heights: Bitcoin halving and the introduction of exchange-traded funds. As we delve into the intricacies of these events, it becomes apparent that they have the power to create a perfect storm for XRP, propelling it into uncharted territories of success and adoption. Bitcoin halving, occurring approximately every 4 years, is a process that reduces the rate at which new Bitcoins are created. This event is hardwired into Bitcoin's protocol and has profound implications for the entire cryptocurrency market. As the most dominant cryptocurrency, Bitcoin's halving has historically triggered a bullish market sentiment that extends beyond its immediate ecosystem. XRP, often referred to as the digital bridge currency, stands to benefit significantly from the positive market sentiment generated by Bitcoin halving. The reasoning behind this lies in the interconnected nature of the cryptocurrency market. When Bitcoin experiences a surge in value and increased investor interest, it often acts as a tide that lifts the entire market, including alternative cryptocurrencies like XRP. Investors seeking to diversify their portfolios in the wake of Bitcoin halving may turn to alternative digital assets with promising use cases. XRP, with its focus on facilitating fast and cost-effective cross-border transactions, presents itself as an attractive option. As attention and capital flow into the cryptocurrency market post-Bitcoin halving, XRP's unique value proposition could position it as a top choice for those seeking practical utility in addition to speculative potential. XRP's primary use case revolves around revolutionizing cross-border payments. While Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies focus on decentralization and store of value, XRP aims to address inefficiencies in the traditional banking system, offering a faster and more cost-effective alternative. The current global payment infrastructure is laden with friction, characterized by delays, high fees, and a lack of interoperability between different financial institutions. XRP, through its associated company Ripple, seeks to streamline these processes by providing a bridge between various currencies and financial institutions. The reduction in transaction costs and settlement times makes XRP an appealing solution for banks and businesses looking to optimize their cross-border payment processes. Bitcoin halving, by drawing attention to the cryptocurrency market, could serve as a catalyst for increased adoption of practical use cryptocurrencies like XRP. As institutional and retail investors explore options beyond Bitcoin, the unique benefits offered by XRP in the realm of cross-border payments could lead to a surge in demand and utilization. Exchange-traded funds have long been heralded as a potential game-changer for the cryptocurrency market. These investment vehicles, which allow investors to gain exposure to an asset without holding it directly, have the potential to unlock significant institutional capital. The inclusion of Bitcoin ETFs in traditional investment portfolios has been a topic of much debate and speculation, with proponents arguing that it could legitimize and bring stability to the cryptocurrency market. XRP stands to benefit from the introduction of cryptocurrency ETFs in several ways. Firstly, as Bitcoin ETFs pave the way for institutional investors to enter the market, there is a high likelihood that these investors will diversify their portfolios to include other promising cryptocurrencies. XRP, with its practical use case and established partnerships with financial institutions, could be a natural choice for institutional investors seeking exposure to the digital asset space. Secondly, the introduction of cryptocurrency ETFs could lead to increased liquidity in the XRP market. Liquidity is a crucial factor for the widespread adoption of any asset, and the ability to buy and sell XRP easily on traditional financial platforms could attract a broader range of investors. Institutional investors, known for their cautious approach, often seek assets with clear use cases, regulatory compliance, and liquidity. XRP, with its focus on solving real-world problems in the financial sector and ongoing efforts to collaborate with regulatory bodies, aligns well with the criteria that institutional investors typically consider. Wrapping up, the confluence of Bitcoin halving and the introduction of ETFs presents a unique opportunity for XRP to soar to unprecedented heights. The positive market sentiment generated by Bitcoin halving, coupled with the institutional influx facilitated by ETFs, could create a perfect storm for XRP's adoption and appreciation. XRP's focus on practical use cases, regulatory compliance, and strategic partnerships positions it as a frontrunner for institutional investors seeking exposure to the cryptocurrency market. As the cryptocurrency landscape continues to evolve, XRP's ability to bridge traditional finance with the digital realm makes it a compelling choice for those looking beyond the speculative aspects of the market. While the future of the cryptocurrency market remains inherently uncertain, the alignment of key factors such as Bitcoin halving, ETFs, regulatory compliance, and strategic partnerships could propel XRP into a new era of success and recognition. As investors and institutions seek assets with real-world applications and regulatory clarity, XRP stands poised to capitalize on the opportunities presented by the evolving dynamics of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Make sure you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, you can help enlighten others just like you have been enlightened by sharing this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere, guys. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.